All right, we're getting some updates in the Senthil Balaji case where the Maharashtra High Court in fact has put out some details. Madras High Court has said that the ED, that is the Enforcement Directorate, is entitled to Minister Senthil Balaji's custody. This is the latest that is coming in this case of Senthil Balaji, the Tamil Nadu minister, where the High Court has now said that the agency, the central agency, Enforcement Directorate, is entitled to his custody. So this is coming as a setback there to the DMK, to the government as well. However, let's get in more details now from Arvind on this. Arvind, take us through more information about what the Madras High Court has said.
Maha, the Madras High Court third judge, Justice Karthikeyan, has ruled in the case of Tamil Nadu Minister Senthil Balaji. Earlier, the Enforcement Directorate arrested Senthil Balaji in connection with a money laundering investigation, post which his wife filed a habeas corpus petition in the Madras High Court challenging the arrest of Minister Senthil Balaji, wherein she had contended that the arrest per se is illegal because without giving any grounds of the arrest, he was arrested, and then that's why she had challenged the arrest of Minister Senthil Balaji through a habeas corpus petition. So while hearing this petition, the division bench comprising of Justice Nisha Bana and Justice Bharata Chakravarti, both of them gave a split verdict, wherein Justice Nisha Banu had said that ED's arrest is per se illegal, and that's why she had ruled that he should be released immediately, wherein Justice Bharata Chakravarti had said that the arrest is per se legal, and that's why he had said that the ED is entitled to take the minister into custody. Because both the judges gave a split verdict, the case was referred to a third judge, and third judge, Justice Karthikeyan, listened to the arguments of both the sides, and today he gave an order. He pronounced the order in the open court. He dictated the orders in the open court, wherein he has concurred with the view of Justice Bharata Chakravarti, wherein he has said that ED's arrest of Minister Senthil Balaji is legal, and he has also said ED is entitled to the custody of Minister Senthil Balaji. Also, very importantly, the third very important question, whether ED can take the minister into custody after his discharge period. Should the hospital period be excluded from the 15 days period is something that also saw a deferred opinion between the judges of the division bench. Today, the judge Karthikeyan also concurred with the view of Justice Bharata Chakravarti on this particular question also. That means that ED can take someone into custody even after the arrest 15 days period, because as per law, if someone is arrested on a date, the agency can take them into custody within the first 15 days period. But in this particular case, because Minister Senthil Balaji was admitted to hospital, he was being treated in the hospital, and that's why ED said that that particular period should not be counted as a judicial period or the first 15 days period. So Justice Karthikeyan also concurred with that argument of the Enforcement Directorate, wherein he said that the hospital period should be excluded from the first 15 days period. So the matter has now been referred to division bench, and the division bench will decide when ED can take the minister into custody.
All right. Arvind, many thanks for joining us with those details. So apart from the Madras High Court saying that the ED is entitled to Senthil Balaji's custody, it has also said, as Arvind pointed out, that the period that Senthil Balaji was in hospital should not be part of the judicial custody period that they had earlier got. So those 2 points are taken in consideration by the Madras High Court.